In this video, I'll show you how to register a domain name with Godaddy. First, go to godaddy.com and type in the domain name you want. Godaddy will show which extensions are available. I recommend sticking with .com or .net for SEO purposes. Once you find an available domain, click Make It Yours and add it to your cart. You can adjust the registration length and remove unnecessary add-ons like full domain protection or website builders. I usually stick with free privacy protection to keep personal info safe. Next, sign into your Godaddy account, review your cart, and choose your payment method. PayPal or card works fine. Confirm your order, complete the payment, and your domain will be registered. Finally, you can skip the website builder for now and check your domain under My Products to manage it. And that's it. You've successfully registered your domain with Godaddy.